Okay, to begin, we're gonna start with the ingredients to make our pikliz. We need lime, we need Maggie, we need vinegar, habanero peppers, carrots, garlic, onion, bell peppers, sweet bell peppers, cabbage. You need salt, as well as sour orange. And these are the ingredients. 4/4 and chop it up finely. To make it easier, place the cabbage in your hand, take the knife, and shred your lettuce finely. This is the first step in making your Haitian pikliz. Okay, so the following step is to cut your carrot. So we did the cabbage first, and now we are cutting our carrots. And you all do this really finely. You just take the carrot, place it in the palm of your hand, take your knife, and one step closer to making our pikliz. So while she's chopping, while everything is finely chopped for the most part, she's just using her hands to basically mix everything. And she'll continue to do this as she continues the process. Okay, so now Rosie is finally cutting up her habanero peppers. And please be careful because this can get really spicy. So she's cutting up the habaneros, and as you can see, some of the seeds will be staying, and this is what helps with the spice of the pikliz. And so far she's working on her third habanero. She'll be using a total of 4. Okay, now she's adding some salt. I don't know the exact amount. I don't believe Haitians really ever do measurements, but she added some salt. So far we have the cabbage, we have the carrots, we have the habanero peppers, and now she's just mixing it. Okay, so not only is she using the actual garlic, but we just sprinkled some garlic powder as well. Okay, so next is chopping up the bell peppers. We have red and green bell peppers. And be sure to watch your fingers. Usually if I'm cooking, if I'm cutting, I usually curve my fingers so I don't chop them up as well. And now we're cutting the green bell peppers. So now we are cutting up the lime. As you can see, she cut it and now is squeezing the juice into this size cup here. We have our little handy dandy lemon squeezer. She's using that to pour in our miniature size cup. And I believe we'll be using 2 to 3 limes. So after squeezing your lime, you pour it into this mixture here. Next is to pour some of the sour orange into the Pikliz. So far this is the second cup. So she added 2 cups of the sour orange to the mixture. So after the sour orange is the regular vinegar. And that so far is the second cup. So it's 2 cups of the sour orange and 2 cups of the vinegar. Next is the Maggie. And this is not the soft Maggie. I forgot to mention, this is the one that can crumble easily. So you just take the Maggie and you add it to your Pikliz. And you massage the Pikliz. Massage the Pikliz. Next is the onion. And she's cutting up the onions. So we've already cut up the garlic. Everything is added. That includes all of our ingredients. So now she's just mixing it, and we're not gonna be eating this until tomorrow. So it's gonna be resting overnight. Everything will be like marinating in a sense. That concludes it.